ladies and gentlemen, this is Cindy. Today I have a small rose tutorial. I was tired of making those paper flowers because I just cannot make them, so I just figured I'll make something else. So I figured I should just make a tutorial on this. So as you can see, it kind of looks like a rose. I tried my best and hope you guys like it. Of course, you can always add a little bit in there and then some leaves and stuff, but here it goes. So of course you need glue gun, and you need a pair of scissors and then felt. So I went to my paint I opened up the paint window and I made a hexagon shape, as you can see. And then when I made the hexagon shape, I put it on top of the felt and just cut around it. So after you do that, you're gonna cut right here on the pointing part of the hexagon towards the center, but not too close to the center. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that. So I'm just gonna make some little cuts, and I hope this works for you guys. I know it's very different, very weird, but I hope it works. So you see I didn't cut it all the way, and now we have 6 little pieces. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna glue down let me see how I want it. So it's basically like the rose petal. You want to glue it down something like this. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little hot glue here. Just right here. And be careful, do not burn yourself, because the hot glue can be very, very hot. So you should have something like this. Let me turn it around so you can see. Okay, and now we're gonna do the same thing with the other little triangles, and from here on we just have to put it together. Like seriously, it just gets easy from here on, like this. Let me go this way, and of course do it opposite ways, from the opposite sides. Like that. Just put a little bit of glue right there on the little corners. Oops, that got into my finger. Oh, and by the way, this hexagon it measures 2.5 by 2.5, and I just eyeballed it on the paint. Page. I just eyeballed it, and of course, as you can see, I printed a couple, and it didn't came out right. So the third one was a charm, and I finally got the right size that I wanted. It's just testing the size, and depending on the size of the rose. Like this one is a 2.5, so it will be this size. Most likely it might be like an inch or so. Yeah, like an inch. So if you go 2.5, it will be an inch. Maybe if you go bigger, it might be like 1.5 inches or 2 inches. But let me move you over. So as you can see, I did try. Like this was my first time, second time didn't came out. So then I finally tried the third time, and it finally came out. And of course, I did the print preview, and I just finally got it to the one I wanted. But ladies, this is how our little rosebuds look. I mean, I hope you guys like it, and I hope they do look like a rose. And of course, if you want to make it a little closer together or tighter, you can. Or if you want to make the felt bigger and add more petals, like what I mean is cut a bigger felt, hexagon felt, and you just put it together. Maybe that will work and make it bigger. I haven't tried that, to be honest, but it might work. But here's the small tutorial. Hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.